There's no rule anywhere in the world that tells you everything you need to look out for to get your perfect revolver inch by inch. Even if there is, it's not perfect, and neither will it provide exactly what you want in everything you follow. Don't get me wrong though, there are certain key fundamentals a revolver must have for it to be worth a second look. I'm talking about non-negotiable qualities that make up an excellent revolver that are worth your attention. For every lover of revolvers, we don't all cherish the same things. Some of us look for classic cowboy designs, while others go for a more modern look. So it all comes down to what we really want and what our needs are. Today, we've compiled a list of 7 best modern revolvers worth your attention in 2024. I'm talking about revolvers that would captivate everyone who loves a good revolver. If you're interested in knowing which revolvers made this list, watch this video till the end. That's not all, we've also included a bonus tip you'll absolutely love. Okay, enough with the talk, let's get the ball rolling. As the name SDR implies, the Diamondback SDR is a self-defense revolver practically designed for self-defense purposes. It has all the features that make a great self-defense revolver, one of which is a compact design. As with almost all self-defense handguns, this revolver has a design that makes it very easy to conceal. The design nearly makes the revolver invisible. You can simply put this revolver at the side of your jeans or inside your purse or bag without anyone noticing or weighing heavily on you. Just so you know, this revolver isn't just compact, it's also very powerful with a 6-round capacity capable of attacking whatever comes your way with precision and accuracy. Talking about popularity, the Diamondback SDR debuted at the 2024 SHOT Show, where it garnered significant attention for its design and functionality. Reviews have highlighted its performance, particularly in terms of reliability and ease of use, making it a strong contender in the self-defense revolver market. This revolver costs around $700 and is worth your attention. Still talking about great self-defense revolvers, one of them you should seriously consider is the Taurus Raging Hunter. The Taurus Raging Hunter is a next-generation big-bore revolver designed to meet the needs of modern big-game hunters. The revolver was the winner of the 2019 Golden Bullseye Award for Hunting Handgun of the Year. The Raging Hunter offers unmatched performance, yet still maintains that lightweight package. Yes, it's a great gun for hunting, but you can't ignore the fact that it also makes a great self-defense revolver. Many factors contribute to this, one of which is its impressive accuracy. It also has a dual cylinder lock, a transfer bar safety, and fully adjustable iron sights, making it stand out from its competitors. The Taurus Raging Hunter combines reliability and accuracy for the ultimate hunting experience. The Taurus Raging Hunter is the perfect choice if you're looking for a top-performing, big-bore, lightweight, and feature-packed revolver. But it doesn't come without a price, as the revolver costs $800. The Ruger GP100 Match Champion is a revolver with a harmonious blend of form and function, embodying the latest advancements in revolver technology. Durable and resilient, able to withstand harsh conditions and heavy use, which makes it an excellent choice for both professional and recreational shooters. The revolver's 4.2-inch half-lug barrel provides an optimal balance between accuracy and maneuverability. It also sports an 11-degree target crown for competitive level performance. This revolver is sleek and refined with a polished stainless steel finish and an elegant modern design that captivates and draws attention seamlessly. When compared to the standard GP100, the Match Champion has a slightly different shape and feel, which some users prefer for its aesthetics and performance in competitive settings. Additionally, it's often considered more forgiving in handling than other revolvers in its class. If you're interested in buying, it costs just around $900, which many find affordable considering its quality, features, performance, and long-term durability. With this, you're getting a revolver for many years. Another great revolver that's worth your attention in 2024 is the Smith & Wesson 686 Plus. The Model 686 Plus features a robust L-frame construction, making it capable of handling the powerful .357 Magnum cartridge. This alone is enough to beat most revolvers presently on the market, and it's one that you should seriously consider if you're looking to get a powerful, high-performing revolver. Another great side is that it doesn't matter your shooting skill level. This revolver will serve you because it boasts a comfortable grip, smooth trigger pull, and user-friendly controls, making it a great fit for both beginners and experienced shooters. We could go on and on with several features and qualities that make this revolver exceptional and would be worth your time. The average price for a new Smith & Wesson 686 Plus is around $820, with some offering it at lower or even higher prices depending on your location. Now, if you're looking for a revolver that's as tough as nails, you need to check out the Ruger SP101. Ruger has a well-earned reputation for building some of the most reliable and durable firearms on the market, and the SP101 is no exception. The SP101 stainless steel construction and heavy-duty cylinder make it a rock-solid choice for self-defense and home protection. This thing can take a beating and keep on ticking. But the Ruger SP101 isn't just a brute, it's also surprisingly ergonomic. The Ruger SP101 might be built like a tank, but it's surprisingly comfortable in your hand. The grip is designed with an exaggerated curve that fills your palm nicely, making it easy to handle even during rapid-fire scenarios. And the sight? The SP101 has an easily visible front and smooth-edged adjustable rear side. It's like they thought of everything. Plus, the SP101 is small enough for concealed carry, but enough heft to avoid recoil. It's the perfect balance of size and power. On average, you can pay around $650 for a new Ruger SP101. Used models are available for around $500. If you're looking for a survival revolver that's both a workhorse and a showstopper, look no further than Colt Python. This revolver is as iconic as they come, with its sleek and elegant design featured in countless movies and TV shows over the years. The Colt Python is a legendary .357 Magnum revolver that's been highly sought after for decades. Colt first introduced a Python in 1955 and quickly gained traction for its exceptional accuracy, reliability, and smooth double-action trigger pull. The Python is known for its stainless steel frame and barrel, adjustable sights, and distinctive appearance. It's available in various barrel lengths from 2.5 to 8 inches, allowing you to choose the best configuration for your needs. While Colt discontinued the Python in 2005, in 2020, it reintroduced the Python with updates to the design and manufacturing process to improve reliability and performance. This gun is part of the high-end revolver, which costs around $1,500. The Ruger LCR is an innovative, lightweight revolver that combines classic design elements with modern features to create a reliable and concealable firearm. Depending on the model, the LCR is built to withstand the rigors of daily carry while minimizing overall felt recoil. It features a monolithic frame made from aerospace-grade aluminum or stainless steel. It's also equipped with a Hogue Tamer monogrip and a friction-reducing trigger. The Ruger LCR delivers a comfortable shooting experience that's perfect for personal defense or target practice. Whether you prefer 22 LR, 22 Magnum, 38 Special, .357 Magnum, or 9mm Luger, the LCR's versatile caliber options ensure you'll find the perfect fit for your hands. If we're talking about price point, the revolver costs around $550. If you weigh the pros and cons, you'll find it a very cheap revolver that's worth every second of your attention. As we attempt to wrap up this video, don't forget that these are the best modern revolvers of 2024 that are worth your attention. If you're considering buying a revolver, you should seriously consider this. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more amazing and informative videos like this one. Also, leave a comment on which revolver on this list is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.